Ready to brighten up your Confluence pages? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change text color in Atlassian's Confluence Wiki step by step, using both the modern cloud editor and the older legacy editor. By the end, you'll know how to add visual impact to your documentation and help your readers zero in on important details or warnings with just a splash of color. Let's jump right in with the Confluence Cloud editor, which is what most of you will be using these days. First, you'll want to get into edit mode. To do this, simply click the Edit button at the top right of your page. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, which can really speed up your workflow, just press the letter E on your keyboard while viewing the page. You should now see the Confluence editor ready to go with all your editing options at the top. Next, select the text you want to change. Just highlight it with your mouse like you would in any word processor. It could be a single word, a whole sentence, a title, whatever you want to stand out. Remember, you can always click and drag if you want to select a larger section. Taking the time to select exactly what you want ensures you don't accidentally recolor the wrong part of your content. Now at the top of your Confluence toolbar, look for the button that shows a letter A with a colored bar underneath. This is the Text and Highlight Color button. Clicking this will open up a palette of built-in colors. Think of it like picking a marker from a box. Each color serves a purpose. Maybe you want to use red for important notices, green for positive messages, or blue for headers. Just click your desired color and you'll see your selected text instantly update. And if you accidentally pick the wrong color, it's no problem at all. Just select a different color from the palette and your text will change right away. Confluence Cloud keeps things straightforward by giving you a standard set of colors, so you don't get overwhelmed by too many options or tempted to make your pages look like a rainbow. Keeping your color choices consistent also helps your whole team navigate and understand your documentation more easily. Now, for those using the legacy editor, perhaps you're working on an older page or your organization hasn't made the switch yet. The process is similar, but with a slightly different look. First, make sure you're in edit mode just like before. Highlight the text you want to recolor. In the toolbar, you'll see a drop-down for font color. Click that and you'll notice both a basic palette and an extended one. If you're looking for a specific shade to match your company branding, you might find more choices here. Select your color, and that's it. Your selected text updates with the new color. Whether you're using the cloud editor or legacy editor, that's all there is to it. Take a moment to preview your changes and make sure everything looks just how you envisioned. These simple steps can make a big difference in the readability and overall professionalism of your Confluence pages. So next time you need to call out a warning, highlight a headline, or simply add a little style to your space, you'll know exactly how to do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, run into any trouble, or want to know more Confluence tips, drop a comment below. I love reading your questions and always try to help out. And don't forget to subscribe to Adaptavist channel for more straight-to-the-point Confluence training. Thanks for watching and happy editing.